In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up CNAME and TXT records in MailerLite. If you're already a MailerLite user, go ahead and log in so you can follow along. We'll start by heading to your account settings. From there, open the domain section. On the right side, choose Add Domain and type in the domain you want to use for sending. This should be a domain you own and manage, like your business or organization's main website domain. After you add it, select the option to authenticate your domain. MailerLite will generate the exact DNS records you need, one CNAME record and one TXT record. These records help prove you own the domain and improve email deliverability by aligning your sender identity. In simple terms, the CNAME is often used for link tracking or DKIM alignment, and the TXT record typically supports sender validation, so inboxes trust your messages more. Now copy the values MailerLite shows you. Keep that tab open and go to your website's DNS settings. This is usually managed where your domain is hosted, such as your domain registrar or DNS provider. In the DNS area, create a new CNAME record and a new TXT record that match what MailerLite provided. Pay close attention to three fields: the host or name, the type, and the value or data. The host must match exactly. The type should be set to CNAME or TXT accordingly, and the value should be pasted exactly as shown. Avoid extra spaces or changing capitalization, and don't add or remove dots unless your DNS provider specifically instructs you to. If there's a TTL option, the default is usually fine. Once both records are added, return to MailerLite. When the records are detected, you'll see a message indicating the DNS record was created successfully. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. DNS updates can take a little time to propagate across the internet. It might be quick, or it could take a bit longer depending on your provider. Just give it some time and check back. That's it. You've successfully set up your CNAME and TXT records in MailerLite. This small configuration step makes a big difference. Your emails are more likely to reach the inbox, and your domain reputation is protected because the sending identity is verified. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.